Welcome back to the Stick of Truth, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube.
Welcome back.
As always, I'm TheInvertedShadow.
And I'm Shadow007.
And after the shit day both of us have had, we needed this.
Yeah, seriously.
Alright, so when we last left off, the Stick of Truth was missing.
We aren't allowed to go into the street. We're in such an open world, our parents don't want us getting hurt.
Oh, yes, that's right. Clyde was pretty pissed at us because of what happened with the last time with the Stick of Truth getting pilfered.
Yeah.
I suppose, because that sure isn't going to come back to bite us in the ass later.
But those are holy items from the Orient. Legend has it that he who can collect enough will be rewarded.
No, I remember correctly. Wasn't there another Chin Pokemon back a ways around here?
I think so.
Yeah. I remember... Hello, Ginger.
The Wizard
Hello.
King says I'm too ginger to be one of the humans, but Paladin Butters lets me be his squire on the slide.
Paladins seek justice for all races.
Yep, up there, see?
Alright.
Let's see. Alright, what? There we go.
No, go, Mom!
I'll have to keep that in mind. Shoot objects and knock them off and blah 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 blah.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
Those are rats.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I'm going to get old of... Ow. Ow.
Ow.
Okay, well I guess we're not going that way. I suppose we'll have to be going another way then.
Yep.
You have to excuse me if I'm a little stuttery. It's been a while since the two of us have played this, so we've kind of forgotten the controls.
Yeah, we're kind of lost, so...
Then again, I guess blind experience is always the best way to go.
Yep.
A new message from Butters? Thank you.
Thank you.
Alrighty then. I suppose that was kind of pointless.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we have to... Oh, can't go that way either. Oh, or... Ah!
Now we can.
Love you, smashable objects.
Hi, Tenny.
Alright. Locations shown by the yellow arrow. The exclamation points indicate quest objectives. Hover over them to see locations when which quest is sending you there. Alright, so we unlocked a new fast travel location. That is always helpful.
Awesome.
Oh, the iconic bus stop.
Yep.
Good times. Good times.
Good.
Woo! Shit.
Hello.
Hello, elves. Oh dear.
These lands hold many dangers, new kid.
Yeah, you moved to the wrong realm.
Did we now?
Nice hair, douchebag.
Really?
Alright. Ed?
Fuck you!
Ow.
Yep, I forgot how to block. Oh, no I didn't. No I didn't.
You're
Never
hurt.
mind.
This looks like a job for Paladin Butters.
Alright. Oh, good. As a paladin, Butters has a healing ability. Handy.
Alright.
There you go, Al. I'm busy. I better wait a turn before I do any more healing.
On your buddy's turn, he can use an item or his quick action and then attack. Attacking against his turn, so use the item or quick action first.
Okay.
Makes sense. Abilities,
We're still doing this, right?
Okay, so one of them armored up. So, Hammer of Justice.
You
Yes.
think you're better than me?
Alright,
By the hammer of Butters.
take that!
Well, I'm sorry.
Alright. Oh dear. Ouch! Oh god, I'm bleeding.
Hey, look, you're bleeding.
Enemy attacks, items, and your own abilities can apply status effects to yourself or your enemies. Use the examine screen to find out about status effects on you. Alright, so bleeding obviously means that we're going to take damage every turn or so.
Yep.
That's not good.
It looks bad. Here, take some of this magic cure potion.
Thank you, Butters.
Thanks.
Alright, Cure Potion. Removes negative status effects. There we go. Phew.
Make sure you always carry a few potions. Just don't get grounded for raiding the apothecary's pantry like I did.
Alright, so... I would think the first order of business would be to take care of the archer, but what about that other guy that armored up?
Whatever works for you.
Alright, oh! Never mind, I believe we've got our target, don't we?
Let's do it.
Yeah! Out he goes.
One down.
Oh dear.
Kiss my ass.
Don't you attack Butters, you bastard! Healing touch? Nah, I don't think we need it yet.
What's that?
Hurry up!
Alright, I don't have enough of that. Alright, Butters, go after...
Come on!
Him!
Quit it!
Whoops! Too soon. Oh. Ouch!
Ah!
Yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna have to take care of that fucking archer somehow.
Stop dicking around.
Shut up, Elf. I'm trying to think here of what to do.
Yeah, we're trying to figure it out, asshole.
Alright, health potion. Just
Surrender and I will show you mercy.
Last thing I want to do is be fighting them on low health. Alright, take care of this archer. Oh, nearly had him.
That's what I'm talking about.
Nice.
Oh, fucking... Ow. Okay, he got healed. Wonderful.
You're not waiting
Butters,
for me,
heal.
are you?
Thank you. Okay, yeah. Now the healer's got...
Yeah.
The healer's gotta go now. Well, mistimed it again, but at least I got him.
Bye-bye.
Ow! I'm getting real sick of your shit, Archer. So... Die! Dick!
Good job.
Now I'm getting into this.
Alright.
Yeah, that's it, little buddy.
I love how it's just basically just a pat on the
Butters.
back. That's funny.
I know.
You should be nice.
There we go! Got that shield
Good,
taken out of
armor's
the way. I wanna...
Dragon
yeah.
breath.
Go for the
Dragon
dragon
breath.
breath again. Oh good, he's on fire. Oh! Ow.
Good.
Alright, well,
Good.
that's it. Yeah, how about another one? Mistimed it again. I'm bad at this. Down they go.
Nice.
Well, I'd say that went well.
Yeah.
A new message from Cartman. Pardon. Clyde has vanished from space and time, you guys. Nobody sit with him at lunch. I don't care what kind of fruit snacks he's sharing. Oh, come
Got
on.
it.
I love me some fruit snacks. Ooh.
Ow!
Okay, I'll take that. And what else do you guys have? I'll take all that.
Alright.
Ooh, a revive potion. Just what I
Okay.
needed. Or what we needed. And a cure potion. Excellent. Oh, and
Perfect.
right click does...
That
Oh.
was stupid.
Okay, right click farts. That's good to know. Ooh! The main
Oh.
town. Oh, hello.
Sorry, but we can't be friends until you have more friends.
I have Butters. Does that count?
Yeah.
A bird's nest. Am I really going to do this? Yep.
Okay. Oh,
It was just set up right there for me, so of course I would have to do that.
sad part, you're allowed to be an asshole.
Yes. Into the main town we go.
That's Butt Brady. Wait,
Bar Brady.
The best way to get to Canada is north.
Ah, Canada.
Oh, Canada.
Oh, I see something there.
Me too.
Fortunately, I can't reach it. I suppose I have
Love
to find
the chorus
another.
in the background.
I know, right? Let's explore the town a bit, shall we?
Yeah.
It would be It would be nice to get the lay of the land as if we're going to be playing this for a good lot of time. It's South Park Bank. Hello there. I remember that face.
It's gone, guys.
And it's gone.
Okay, this is a stick-up. Put all the money in a bag or I'll fucking kill each and every one
Whoa,
of you. All right,
Butters.
Manny? How's it going? Just showing the new kid around.
Hi, Butters.
Good to see you too, Butters. Thanks for checking in.
Yowza, Butters.
Huh.
I knew he was capable of getting pretty frank and, well, what's I'm looking for? Foul, but damn. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
More. Ooh, Margaritaville Deluxe Margarita Blender. I believe we all remember
Nice.
that episode. Remember the Margaritaville episode?
Yep, I love that episode.
Welcome to the Bank of South Park. Would you like to invest money with us today?
I wouldn't.
Sorry, kid. Come back when you have some money to invest.
Well, how much money do we even have?
I have no idea.
Oh, 40 cents short of what it's asking for, so nope, can't do
Yeah.
anything about that.
Where are your parents?
What does it matter to you, lady?
Yeah, fuck you, you cunt.
Oh, you were right. In South Park, anyone even... What is that up there? You see that relay thingy up there?
Yeah, I do.
What is that? I suppose we'll have to come back for it later.
I guess so.
Can't go in there. Alright, gotta remember that only the doors with the yellow handles
I got a
we can go
beanie with your
into.
name on it.
Aw, shit. Elves.
Great.
This here is the marketplace. This is where heroes can come for adventuring gear, nose jabs, and abortion.
Oh! Oh, the abortion clinic.
Yep.
I think this is like a major area later on in the game, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know.
I believe it is.
What's in here? More stuff!
Yes.
No idea why I took those condoms, but fuck it. And more whatchamajiggers. Hello.
Hi. Did you accidentally get someone pregnant?
No.
He says with a question mark. Can't go there.
Nope.
I suppose we'll be seeing this place a little later on.
Yeah.
Alright, I guess we're going to be... Oh, where do those elves go?
They're gone.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Yeah.
Alright, not in there. I guess they were... There's none of those bags up there.
That's weird.
Unfortunately, I can't seem to reach it. Nope.
We must get back to the quest at hand, my lord.
Easy now, Butters. I'm trying to think here. Let's look at the map. Alright, so if we continue going north, we should come up on Token's house.
Let's go.
Yes.
Have you tried Tweak Brothers coffee? It's terrible, but for some reason I can't stop drinking it.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, the movie theater showing Ashes of Fire 2.
Sure. I'm up for that. Hey, so it says, look behind that bush.
What?
Go back.
Another of those bags. And a fast travel spot. Oh, they're care packages.
Yep. You're
All right.
welcome.
Thank you, sister.
You're welcome, brother.
Alright, what was I just about? Oh yes, Token's house. This way.
Yes.
Slow down. Fuck your sign.
Yeah.
Ah, shit, another elves.
Great.
What are you looking at, pussy?
Alright, you asked for it.
You're going down.
Alright, he... Attack up. Gotta watch myself.
Right.
Ooh! Well, I completely forgot the thing about repulsing. So, they're out! Did that fucker just throw a rock at us? Alright, healer first. That's the smart thing to do.
That didn't count.
Yes, it did for us.
It did. Okay, yeah, definitely take out the healer.
All
Feel
right.
my righteous fury.
Got you!
Nice, Butters!
Nicely done, Butters. Whoops! I don't think so. Damn it!
Yeah, Butters is actually your tank.
Yeah, oh yeah, because World of Warcraft taught me that paladins are kind of like that.
Yeah.
Down you go! Sick of your shit, priest.
Hey.
Getting back into the swing of things. Oh, swung too early again.
Taste that
Come on,
justice!
come on, Butters, finish him off. There you go.
I hope
Yes, Butters!
Oh, I should probably be healing Butters. Oh, or unless it just heals up whenever battle's over, but oh well.
Yeah.
Right, take more of these. Thank you kindly.
Stop staring at me. It's creepy.
No.
No.
And thank you for donating to the
Look,
Double
your
Shadow
pocket.
Fund. Thank you again for donating so generously to the Double Shadow Fund of kicking your ass.
This is a gated community, sir. We do not allow in the riffraff. Move along, sir.
Really?
If you try again, I will pepper spray you back to the Stone Age.
You dick!
Dick.
Alright, so we're not getting in that way to get token. Alright. So gate wear something to protect yourself from the security guard's pepper spray.
Alright.
That seems easy enough? Question mark?
I guess.
I guess we need to find some sort of headwear. Because the glasses these glasses aren't doing shit.
I know, we need some kind of helmet.
I guess we gotta go looking around somehow.
Yep.
A message from Karma just posted to your wall. Dude, someone just posted a video of you getting pepper sprayed. Hold on, I want. It's even better when you know what's coming. Oh, somebody was recording that shit.
Fuck you, dillweed.
Ah. Oh, what's this? Jimbo's guns carry a selection of gas masks that render a pepper spray totally useless.
Perfect.
Alright, I guess Jimbo's guns is our next stop then.
We're coming, Jimbo.
Alright, now, where would Jimbo's... Oh, I wasn't over...
There will be an exclamation point.
Yeah. Alright, well, thank God for this fast travel flag. Now, let's
yeah.
see here. Alright, over there is Craig. I'll have to remember that.
Alright.
Let's see here. I see no other... Oh! There's Forbidden Tweak.
That's Weeks.
But where's Jimbo's guns? Oh, don't tell me it's all the way... Okay. It's all the way over there.
Ah, great.
God damn it. Alright, so that fast travel was not entirely warranted for.
Alright.
Going back. Herp-de-derp-de-der. Off we go gallivanting
What
again.
are you looking at, pussy?
Fuck off, elves.
Fuck off, elves.
We ain't got time for your shit. How much do you want to bet that Kyle's the one leading the elves since we haven't seen him yet?
Sure is a lot
Not
of
sure.
walking.
Just a hunch, you know? Whoa!
Holy
Stand
shit.
up and time gave me the grossest wet willy right here.
Hello, cat.
Kitty!
Yeah. No, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't be so cruel as to hit a cat.
No.
And because if I did, Shadow would probably murder me for that.
Yes, I would.
Oh, another
I hope
fast
you're not
travel.
playing that dumb game with everyone.
What are you calling a
Yes, we
dumb
are.
game? Alright. Oh, City Walk. Fuck you, Mongolians! Remember
City
that?
Walk.
You stupid Mongolians! There he is.
Walk. Hello.
Mongolians.
Yep, just as I said.
Hello, welcome to Shitty Walk. Take an order, please. Only thing we're serving today is Mongolian beef. Mongolian beef, so good. Oh, I just love it.
Okay.
Oh, hello, Mongolian.
You what?
Shh, Mongolians are watching. They conquered me last week. Act natural.
Irony.
Oh, yeah, Mongolian beef. So tasty, right? Wow.
As you say then.
Not tasty at all. It's gross. Don't eat it. You eat a Mongolian beef, you shit your pants for 5 days.
Ugh.
All right,
Yeah,
Mongolian.
thank you.
TMI?
Please, you gotta help me out. The Mongolians all live like rats in the Tower of a Peace next door. I'll keep the adults occupied here. You go top a tower and beat up all their kids. Beat up all the Mongolian kids. Then Mongolian think this neighborhood not a safe place. They move away. Go, beat up the little Mongolian kids. Oh, hello, Mongolian. Mongolian beef smell like a Rhino Richie's asshole.
Alright, so we have another
TMI.
quest upon us.
All right.
You're kind of creeping me out, dude.
Are we now? Alright, enter the Tower of Peace. Are they quite literally eating liquid shit, by the way?
Yep, they are.
Ew.
Gross.
Hello, how about you?
Hey, no fighting in here.
Alright.
All right, dude, chill.
So, do we want to take care of the Tower
Elves
of Peace
attack!
or... Whoa! Ow!
Ow!
Okay, that was uncalled for,
Prepare to eat
asshole.
shit.
Alright.
Not if you out hours
Oh,
first.
repose stance. Ow! Okay, terribly cocked that up.
Son of a biscuit.
Alright, repulse stance. Can't use melee attacks, so
Yeah.
ranged it is.
Ow,
Take
geez.
that! Alright, healing touch,
You
please.
deserve it.
Pat on the back, Butters.
I got your back, yo.
Thank you.
Thanks, Butters.
Alright, so none of them have armor, so...
Come on!
Shut up! Alright, that's only good for if there's more than one enemy, so... Alright, so yeah, take out the healer, because if we just melee him, we'll get countered.
Do better.
Yeah.
Take that.
Take that!
Wow.
Ow.
Ow.
Oh, you...
Hey!
That's cheating! Down you go, asshole!
Goodbye.
Alright, still can't melee him, so I guess I'm gonna have to use a power then. Hammer of Justice! Take that!
That was the most perfect throw I've ever seen. I know balance doesn't solve anything, but I kind of like it.
Perfect!
Nice.
We are on a roll today, sister.
Oh yeah.
Alright. So, what's the plan? Do we want to go and solve the thing with Token, or do we want to take a side track over to the Tower of Peace?
Whatever works for you.
Let's see. Well, it's only a little bit of a screen away, so...
Let's do it.
Yeah! We'll take care of that first, and maybe then on the way back, we'll come to the Tower of Peace.
Yep.
Jimbo's guns.
All right.
Alright. This should be simple, hopefully.
Yeah.
Well, hello there, Jimbo and Ned.
Well, what brings you here today? Business or pleasure? Or vengeance?
Vengeance.
You've come to the right place.
Howdy there. Haven't seen you before. You must be the new kid that moved to town. And you're into hunting, huh? Well, my boy, you've come to the right place. South Park is chock full of things to shoot that would delight any taxidermist, survivalist, or weekend animal death enthusiast. Ain't much I can sell to a minor, thanks to the stupid Democrats, but if you could prove yourself a real hunter, I might be able to get you some better stuff. You should buy a copy of The Hunter's Guide to South Park Wildlife, this book thingy here.
Alright, first things first, we need to get a gas mask.
Yeah.
There it is, gas mask. Perfect.
Awesome.
Alright, 1 armor and also reduces gross out damage. Handy.
All right.
Can we have anything we can sell?
No.
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 Nope. We can sell all this. Look at all this fucking junk, man.
Yeah. We can sell like all the costume stuff.
Sell it all. I don't know what the fuck we're gonna do with any of this, anyways. There.
All right.
Is there anything else in here we can go with? Holy shit! Look at that bazooka.
Holy shit. Give me the sword.
Yes. I prefer me a katana as compared to just a little dinky bow.
Yeah.
Alright, we have our oh boy.
Great.
Hello again, elves. We're not going that way, so fuck you.
Yeah.
Alright, why don't we have a look at this Tower of Peace, shall we?
Let's do it.
Oh, wait. First things first, save.
Yes.
Because I don't know exactly what kind of wasp's nest we're gonna be walking into.
Yeah.
Alright. Tower of Peace, here we come.
Let's go.
Whoa! Alright. So that's how you want to be, huh?
I hope you fellas don't get angry, but I have to smite you.
Wow.
Be careful.
I'm slowly having a few regrets about this, aren't you?
I think so too.
Dust of Dreams?
I don't know.
Perhaps if we stun the melee one. Take that! Oh, we got him!
Oh, stunned.
This could be this could be beneficial to us.
Alright.
Alright. Take out that archer. Oh! Oh dear. That was close. Woo!
Butters!
God damn it, why him? He's only a kid. Okay, can't do anything about that at the moment, so... Shut up, you stupid Mongolian. Archer. Almost. Alright, Butters, let's get you healed up.
Yep. Let's see you, buddy.
There you go. Phew. Closer than I would have liked.
Now go for that archer.
Got it. Go! Damn it! Oh no. Whoa, whoa!
Careful!
Don't worry, Butters, I got you. Butters, here, take this. There you go. Now.
Now get that archer.
Oh, wait, the melee one is up again, and damn it. You know what? I have a melee weapon. I'm just gonna go finish him off that way. Hiya! One less archer to contend with. Now.
Feel that righteous
You.
fury!
Woohoo!
Nice!
Again with this.
Whoa!
It's all about timing.
What?
Woo! Okay, that was actually kind of scary.
Alright, just hang on.
Alright, take care of him. Another Mongolian down.
It's on you, Butters.
It's all you, my friend. Oh, not this bullshit. Whoa! Holy crap! Fuck it, I am not letting our friend die. Butters, heal up. Okay, that's better. You know what?
Dragon breath.
You're getting the dragon's breath, asshole. Perfect! Listen to his cries of agony.
Alright, Butters, finish him off.
Finish him off, my friend.
I think I just found the new bottom bitch.
Alright!
Alright, let's just go.
Alright.
We gotta get out of here.
Well, the stairs are lifted up. Because that Mongolian happened to lift it up, so... Can we even do anything else?
No.
Nope. Oh, wait a minute. I just remembered.
Wait, what's up there?
There we go. Alright. Doesn't seem to be anything else. Whoa! Ambush!
Shit!
Forgot these Mongolians can be shitty bastards. Whoa!
What? Eye for an eye!
Alright, come on. We can do this.
We can do this.
Alright. attack up, so...
Then
Then we want to go for the... Gotta take out the bigger one first.
Yeah.
Well, first, heal up, because... Oh god, I don't have any more healing items. Shit.
Shit.
This could end very badly, I just realized.
Well, we have a revive potion at least.
Yeah. We gotta act quickly then. Kinda like that.
Butters!
Ow! Buddy's not gonna use a revive potion. Yes, I know this game. We know this.
Yeah.
Mystical Taco! Get your ass up, Butters.
Alright.
He's nearly... Alright, he's nearly out.
Let's get rid of that guy first.
Yes. Feel the almighty hammer! That's right, run, you little bitch. Whoa! Fuck.
Revive again.
Thank God I have... Well, this shit is the only other one I have. Butters, get your ass up! Alright, Dragon's Breath. Fuck it. Oh, he's weak against it. This could be handy.
Alright.
Healing touch.
There you go, Al.
Alright. Get him, Butters. Shia! Oh god.
Alright.
Woohoo! Oh, the burning debuff got... Ooh! A new weapon!
Now, let's not fight anymore.
Yeah, I believe... Well, first off, save, because...
Yeah,
Lord only knows I don't want to be going through all that again.
Yeah, let's just get out of here now.
Yeah, I suppose we'll have to be coming back another time when we're a little tougher.
Yeah, and a bigger party.
And, well, unless we at least have somebody that can take the heat.
Yeah.
Alright, so we have our gas mask. I believe we need to be getting back to Token's place now.
Yes.
Speaking of which, I should probably swap that out.
Yep.
There. We're not exactly going to be winning Bow Cover of the Year, but it's effective.
Yep.
The South Park Mall. Alright, Mr. Security Guard, let's see if you can match wits with us now.
Yeah.
I warn you.
Just try it.
What the
Nope.
fuck? Oh no!
Oh, crap.
I hope you fellas don't get angry.
Damn it, I was not informed we would have to be fighting him now.
Oh, we've got our new bow now.
Yeah, well, unfortunately, it's level 3 bow, so we can't use it right now. Dust of Dreams! Yeah. Take this!
Okay, stunned.
Okay, that's good. That is just what we needed.
Abilities.
Hammer of Justice.
Come on. Hammer of Butters!
Get him, get him, get him! Whoa!
That was the most perfect throw I've ever seen.
Alright.
Dragon
He's
breath.
stunned. He's still stunned. Still stunned. Damn it, can't use it right now.
Or not. Alright.
Or do we? Where's the thing? Where's the thing? Where is it? Oh yes, this. Power Potion. Now I believe we can. Dragon's Breath.
Let's do it.
No. Burning, but
Right,
it's
and we
not
got
exactly
all-
that effective.
All three, status things.
Alright, get him, Butters. Oh, he's back up. Shit.
Alright.
Let's get him.
Ow!
Whoa! Still not down. Butters, it's on you, buddy.
Go, Butters.
Whoa!
Along.
I'm a lot more experienced now.
Nice.
Ooh, and we got his billy club. Perfect.
Another care package.
Can we even equip it, though, is the question. Yes, we can.
Yes.
Ooh, and a special effect. On perfect attack, lowers target's defenses.
Perfect.
Perfect indeed. Now, care package. Recruit token. Yes, give me 1 second, game. What's in here? A revive potion.
Alright.
Just what we needed.
Right.
Alright. So now we need to get token. Anything in here? I'm sure they won't mind if we borrow whatever it is. Ooh! Hello,
Ooh.
chest! Look at all this stuff in there!
Oh, yeah.
Thank you! I'm sure Token won't mind if we borrow his stuff. We aren't stealing, we're merely borrowing.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, Token, get... Hello! I see Chin Pokemon up there. Thank you!
Pokemon!
Velociraptor.
Yeah?
Hello, Token.
Hi, Token.
Can I help you?
Yes.
What's this? Oh, the elves took the stick again? Hang on a second.
Yes!
For thy message, traveler. I shall make haste to Kupa Keep. Mom, can you drive me to Eric's house?
Alright, we've got Token. 1 down, 2 more to go.
All right.
I believe you'll stop here for the moment because that was a lot of stuff getting done this episode.
Oh, yeah.
We will get back to the Tower of Peace, but that's Token down. That just leaves Craig and Tweak.
Yep.
So until then, we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Peace. Ooh, what's in here? Whoa!
Whoa!
Jesus!